Okay, let's move to the new one. Okay, we have 27. We were dividing 27 by 3.
9.
9, okay. 9 is the right answer. We have 20. We're dividing 20 by 4.
5.
5, okay. That's the right answer. Okay, let's move to a new one. We have 60. So dividing 60 by 6.
10.
10, okay. That's the right answer. Look like this session is, you're doing pretty good on divisions, okay. We have a 40. We're dividing 40 by 8.
5.
5, okay, that's the right answer. Okay, we have 100. We're dividing 100 by 5.
20.
20, okay. That's the right answer. Okay, we have let's do 120. We're dividing 120 by 5.
120.
So do you want me to take over?
22.
22. Said 22. Let's check if the 22 is the right answer or not. Okay. So we have 120. So first digit is 1. 5 is greater than 1. So we have to take another digit. So 12. So we're going to go take a 2 digit right here, 12. So 12, how many times we can go for 12? 5 times 2 is 10. 2 go 10s. And we're going to subtract. 12 minus 10 is 2. Then we're going to drop down that 0, so make it 20. For 20, we're going to divide by 5. So 20 will be, if you divide 20 by 5, that will be 4, right? 4 is going to be 20. 4 times 5 is going to be 20. And you do 20 minus 20 is 0, okay. So the 24 is the right answer on this one, okay? Not a 22, but that was pretty close, okay? All right. Let's go to more difficult one. Okay, we're gonna divide. We have a 65. We're gonna divide 5. Okay. So if you divide 65 by 5, let's see what's the answer. Do we have an answer? Or you like to go and explain? Okay, let's work on this one, okay? So we have 65. We're dividing 65 by 5. So let's do the simple divisions. So we have a 6. The first digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So we can take 6, right? If you take 5 times 1 is going to be 5, then we can take this one out. We'll do the, you subtract 6. Then if you do that one, 6 minus 5, that'll be 1. Then you could drop down that 5, make it 15. And if you divide 15 by 5, that'll be 3. With 15, that'll be 0 right here. So your answer is 13 is the right answer for this one. Okay. Do you have any question or concern on this one? Okay, let's move to the new one. So we have 81. We're going to divide 81 by 3. Let's see if we have an answer for this one. So you could work one at a time. So instead of tackling 81, you could tackle 8 first, then go to the next one. Okay. So do you want me to go over? Okay, let's work together. So we have 81. We're going to divide 81 by 3. So what we could do is we could restart at the very first digit. So 8, right? And we're going to divide by 3. So 8 is greater than 3. So we could divide this one. So if you do 2 times 3, going to be 6. If you do 2 times 3, it's going to be 9. So we cannot go to 3. We can go only 2. So 3 times 2 going to be 6. If you do 2, 3 times 2 going to be 6. You're going to subtract that one. So from 8 minus 6 going to be 2. Then you can drop down that 1. So make it 21. So if you divide 21 by 3, that will be 7. That will be 21. If you do 3 times 7, it's going to be 21. It's 21 minus 21 is 0. So your answer is going to be 27. Is your right answer. So if you divide 81 by 3, it's going to be 27. Okay. Do you have any concern on this one? Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Let's do the similar one, okay? All right. So we have 36. We're going to divide 36 by 3. Let's see.
12.
12. Okay. All right. Let's check if the 12 is the right answer. So you have a first digit 3. So you could divide 3 by 3. That's only 1. If you divide 3 by 3, then it's 0. Then you could drop down the 6. Right? If you divide 6 by 3, it's going to be 2. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So 12 is the right answer. Okay. Okay, let's do the similar one. We're going to divide 72 by 3.
$24.
24. Okay. Let's see if the 24 is the right answer. Okay. So we're going to do the one at a time. So we're going to do the 7 first. If you multiply 3 by 2, it's going to be 6. So let's do 2. 3 times 2 going to be 6. So 7 minus 6 going to be 1. So you could drop down these 2 down. So 12. For the 12s, you could do, if you divide 12s by 3, be 4. It's going to be 12 and it's 0 right here. So 24 is the right answer. Okay, that's right. Let's move to the new one. We're going to do, we have 26. We're going to divide 26 by 2. This is pretty simple. Okay. Divide 26 by 2. What would be the answer?
13.
13, okay. Let's check if the 13 is the right answer. So you could do one at a time. So we have 2. If you divide 2 by 2, it's going to be 1. Then you have 0. Then you can drop down that 6. If you divide 6 by 2, it's going to be 3. So the answer is going to be 0. So 13 is the right answer. Okay, let's move to the new one. We have a 46. We're going to divide 46 by 2.
23.
23, okay. Let's see if that's the right answer, okay. So we have a 46, we're going to divide by 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one at a time. So we're going to do the division of first digit, that's 4. If you divide 4 by 2, it's going to be 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So then we 0 right here. And we have a 6 coming down. If you divide 6 by 2, it's going to be 3. And it's going to be 0 right here. So 23 is the right answer. Okay. Let's do the new one. We have a 78. We're going to divide 78 by 3.
26.
26. Okay, let's see if that's the right answer. So we're going to do one at a time. So we have a 7. If you divide 7 by 3, it's going to be 2. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Then we have a 7 minus 6 going to be 1. You have a 8 dropping down as 18. If you divide 18 by 3, 6. Okay, and 18 minus 18 is 0. So 26 is the right answer. Okay, let's move to the new one. So we have a 76. We're going to divide 76 by 2. Let's see if we can get the answer for this one.
38.
38. Let's see if that's the right answer. Okay. So we have a 76. So we're going to do one at a time. So we have a first digit is 7. So for the 7, you divide 7 by 2, it's going to be 3. 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Then you have a 7 minus 6 going to be 1. We have a 6 dropping down, it's a 16. Divide 16 by 2, it's going to be 8. 8 times 2 is going to be 16, and 16 minus 16 is 0. So 38, that's the right answer. Okay, so we have a 78. We're going to divide by 6.
13.
Is it 13? Okay, let's see. So we have a 78, we're going to divide by 6. So we're going to do one digit at a time. So first digit is 7. We divide 7 by 6, it's going to be 1. 6 times 1 going to be 6. We're going to subtract that one. 7 minus 6 going to be 1. And we're going to drop down 18. And if you divide 18 by 6, that'll be 3. So 6 times 3 going to be 18. And that's going to be 0. So 13 is the right answer. Okay. Let's move to the new one. So we have a 92. We're going to divide 92 by 2. Mm.
$46.
46. Okay, let's check if that's the right answer. So we have a 9. We're going to divide 9 by 2. That's going to be 4. 4 times 2 going to be 8. 9 minus 8 going to be 1. And we're going to draw down 2. So the total will be 12. If you divide 12 by 2, that will be 6. 12 minus 12 is 0. So 46 is the right answer. Okay, let's do the new one. So you have a 64. We're going to divide by 2.
32.
So 32. That's the right answer. I don't think we have to go in detail for that one. Let's do the similar one. If you have a 72, you can divide 72 by 2.
$36.
46. Let's work on that one. So we have a 72. The first digit is 7. If you divide 7 by 2, it's going to be 3. 3 times 2 is going to be 6. Then if you subtract that one, it's going to be 7 minus 6 is going to be 1. You drop down to 2. So 12, we divide 12 by 2, that would be 6. 12 minus 12 is 0. So, yep, 36 is the right answer. Okay, we have 84. We're going to divide 84 by 2.
42.
42. Let's see if the 42 is the right answer. So we have an 8. If you divide 8 by 4, it's going to be 4. So 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So 0. Then you're going to drop down there 4. If you divide 4 by 2, it's going to be 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4 and 0. Okay. 42 is the right answer. Okay. We have 33 dividing by 3.
11.
11, okay. Let's see if that's the right answer. So we have a 3. You're going to divide 3 by 3, it's going to be 1. 0, then you can drop down that 3. So we divide 3 by 3, it's going to be 1. Yep, 11 is the right answer. Let's see. 91 divided by 7.
13.
13. Okay, let's see. So we have a 91 divided by 7. So we're going to take one at a time. So first digit 7, it's a 9. So if you divide 9 by 7, it's going to be 1. 7 times 1 is going to be 7. We do 9 minus 7, it's going to be 2. You're going to drop down 1, it's going to be 21. 21 divided by 7, that will be 3. And 13 is the right answer. Okay. You have a 54 divided by 4. So 52 divided by 4.
13.
13. Let's see if that's the right answer. 4, we have a 5. We're going to divide 5 by 4. Let's see, 1. And if you subtract 5 minus 4, going to be 1. You drop down that 2 down. So it's going to be 12. Divide 12 by 4. It's going to be 3. Okay, so 13 is the right answer. Okay, let's do the easy one. 4 divided by 28.
7.
7, okay. Let's do the new one. 36 divided by 4.
9.
9, okay. That's the right answer. Let's do the new one. So 32 divided by 2.
16.
16, okay. That's the right answer. Okay, let's do the one more. Four divided by 84.
21.
21. Okay, let's work on this one. So we have an 8. We're going to divide 8 by 4. It's going to be 2. 2 times 4 going to be 8. And 0. You're going to drop that 4. 4 divided by 4 going to be 1. 0 right here. 21 is the right answer. Okay. Let's do the new one. You have a 6 divided by 66.
Two remainder 4.
2 remainder 4. So this is a 66. Okay. But let's work on this. So we have a 66, right? So we're going to do one at a time. If we have a 6, we divide 6 by 6, it's going to be 1. 6 times 1 going to be 6. So 0. Then you drop in that 6. If you divide 6 by 6, it's going to be 1. So your answer is going to be 11. 11 is the right answer. Okay. Let's do the new one. We're going to do 76 divided by 2.
Hey, Sam,
Mhm.
can you hear me?
Yes, I could hear you. Okay.
38.
38. Okay. Look like you guys said some text right here. 38. Okay.
Hey, Sam, Lillian here. I was just gonna say, try to give him something a little bit more tougher. He's in
Oh,
6th grade.
oh,
These
okay.
are like, he's too easy for him.
Okay. Okay.
A little bit
I see
challenging.
that even doing pretty good. I was going with a single digit and going to double digit. So you want to go to 3, 4 digit? Okay. Yeah, I could do that. All right. Let's go to the new one. Let's do the little more tougher. So we have 106. So we're going to do the division of 2.
Can we please do converting
Okay, let's do the very first one. Okay.
decimals to percent?
do you want me to complete this one first? And
Yes.
okay, let's do this one. Okay, we have 106. We're going to divide by 2. So we're going to take the first digit. This is 1. This is smaller than 2. So we're going to take the second digit. It's going to be 10. So we're going to divide 10 by 2. If we divide 10 by 2, it's going to be 5. It's going to be 10. Then you have a 0. We're going to drop down that 6. If you divide that 6 by 2, it's going to be 3. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So 53 is the right answer for this one. And so you like to cover on the decimal, you said?
I'm converting decimals to percent.
Or converting decimal to percent. Yeah, I could work on that one. Okay, let me get some number right here. I think I do have some of those questions for you. Okay. Can you see this? All right, we're converting 0.05 decimal into percentage. Let's work on this. So we have a multiple choice, right? We have whether it would be 50% or 500% or 5% or 0.5%. Let's work on this. So we have a 0.05%, right? We have to convert that into percentage. To convert in percentage, what we have to do, we have to multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. Okay. Then we have a 0.05 multiplying by 100, right? This is going to be 5 multiplying by 100. That is equal to 500. But we're going to look at the decimals. We have a 2 digit after decimals. And we have no digit after decimal right here. So we're going to put that 2 digit after decimal. It's going to be 1 digit, 2 digits. So it's going to be 5.00%. So that is equal to 5%. So if you convert 0.05 into percentage, that will be the C will be the right answer, 5%. Let's do the similar one. So what we're going to do, we have a 0.0525. We're going to convert that into percentage. Let's see what's that percentage going to be. So we have A is 25%, B is 5%, C is 2.5%, D is 50%. All right. Do we have answer for this one? So what we're doing decimal, right? It's a 0.025% into percentage. To convert percentage, we're gonna multiply by 100. Let's see right here. So our number is 0.025, right? We're converting that into percentage. To convert in percentage, what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply by 100. We're doing multiplication of 100, and it's percentage. So if this is 0.025 times 100, so 25 times 100 is gonna be 2500. But we're gonna look at the decimals. See how many digits we have after decimals. We have a decimal right here. 1, 2, 3 digits after decimals. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the decimal after 3 digits. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits. So this can be there. So this we can rewrite 2.5 percentage. Okay, let's move, get to the another one. Let's convert. We're gonna convert 0.5 into percentage. So to convert into percentage, what we're gonna do, we're gonna multiply by 100. So 0.5 this one we could, this would be just 5 times 100 is gonna be 500. But we're gonna look at the decimals. How many number we have after decimals? We have a decimal right here, so 1. So we have a 1 number after decimals. So we have to put that decimal right here, 0. So we're gonna put that decimal right here. So that would be, we can write it down as a 50.0. So that would be 50%. Okay. All right. Do you have any more questions?
No.
Okay. The next week, I think we'll be doing more tougher on the longer divisions. We'll be dealing with like
Okay.
maybe 3 digits, 4 digits, so that it will be more appropriate for you. Since today I was just assuming like going from 1 digit to 2 digits, trying to make it easier. And so next time it's gonna be a little more like a longer division we'll be working on, okay? And if you have any more question and concern, just let us know and we'll be working on that one. Cool. And we have another sessions coming up pretty soon. All right, thank you.
Anyone? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hi, Modi.
Where's the teacher? Okay. Okay.
Can you
Am
hear
I
me?
here early?
We still have 1 minute before we actually start.
Sorry. I had internet problems.
Hey, Modi. No worries. I can hear you. Trisha, looks like you're muted.
Yeah, I have been talking. Sorry. Hey. Oh, you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any homework that you want to share with, or any topics that you want to go through for today, or no? If not, I can just share what I have.
Modi, do you have a quiz this week? Modi, are you still there, or did your internet drop out?
Yes, I do.
Oh, what's your quiz on this week?
I think it would be about volcano, landslides, and earthquakes.
Oh, okay. You got a science quiz then, not math.
Yeah, I can't help you with that.
Okay. Well, I do have one thing.
Okay. Do you want to share your screen or is it on paper?
I don't think it would be really, really easy, but I don't know. Like, I couldn't, I couldn't bring my work from school today.
Okay.
So I don't
What are you
know.
learning about?